told bro, make an iron farm. What? I didn't even see anything. What happened? Why are the wooden logs replaced with iron blocks? What was this? And mods, listen to the sound effect at the end. If you guys ever see a video with that sound effect at the end, feel free to delete it. You know, it's not required, but just a reminder, any mods, feel free to delete any video that has that sound effect at the end. And feel free to permanently ban whoever sends the video too.